Need to replace your Lexus key fob battery? It's simple. First, locate the slide release button on the back or side of your fob. Press or slide it to release the case. Once released, gently pry the two halves apart using a plastic tool or even your fingernail. Avoid using metal to prevent scratches. This exposes the battery and internal components. Remember, Lexus has issued recalls for some 2024 models due to faulty slide releases. So if yours seems jammed, contact your dealership. Opening your key fob yourself can save you money on battery replacement. With the key fob open, remove the old battery. Most Lexus fobs use a CR2032 lithium coin cell. Note the orientation, positive side up, before you take it out. Insert the new battery the same way. Snap the two halves of the fob back together until you hear a click. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. To keep your fob in good condition, clean the slide release regularly to prevent jamming. Also, be aware that wireless chargers and other devices can cause electromagnetic interference, leading to battery drain. Consider updating your Lexus firmware via the dealership app to optimize battery life. And always use the correct battery type to avoid damage.